Good morning ka-vloggers! We are here at Polo Park Shopping Mall. Namimili yung aking pinsan. Pinagulpin na niya ang aming kasi pauwi siya. Here is the, they call it, ano ba to? Tignan mo. Polo Park. Yeah, Polo Park Shopping Center. Ito lang yung shopping center ng Winnipeg. Maliit na kung compare sa atin yan sa Pilipinas na malaki. Maliit lang dito. Yeah. Hindi ko na-video yung Bath and Body. And we're going to Victoria's Secret. Samahan niyo kami ha. Ayun shopping mall, sapatos. Here's the Victoria's Secret. We're going in. O diba? So sexy nila. We're here at Victoria's Secret. We'll see if we can afford the price. Darling. Nasa kabila yung yung pabango. Ayun doon sa looban pa. Brands, lingeries. Look how much expensive they are. Too expensive for Victoria's Secret. $80. This one. Let's try this one. Magti-tester tayo guys. See? Ito yung they're all limited time. Miss Nature Baby Collection. Something ito yung ganda. Ito yung magandang tanungin natin. Mas mura dito. Here's the price of the Victoria's Secret. Oh, that's nice. See? Oh, dito na. Bibili rin ako. Ayan ba? Bye, Victoria's Secret. This is the one I like. This is a good one. So let's go get cart. I think bag lang yung binili. May bag din ang bag. Bag. See? Buti na lang nagpunta tayo dito. Mas mura dito. It's more cheaper here than Bath and Body. Yes. Let's find some bag. Who wants some bag?